Yeah, you ready, man? You ready for take it apart every little thing?
Oh shit. Still pretty good.
We had this customer come in with a 2007 G35 VHR. It basically had rod knock on the car. He had the car turboed before. Had a different shop, brought it to us because it had a rod knock. We did a teardown on the old motor, found out that the head gasket had failed. Washed out a couple of the cylinders actually. It seems like he washed out about 3 or 4 cylinders causing rod knock. The gallery gaskets were surprisingly fine. Those were the OEM gallery gaskets. It did not have any head lift on the block or on the head, but it's just unfortunate that the head gaskets did fail. He did overpressurize the system, but we just put a new motor back in it.